Love is in your soul. Your price is higher than gold.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This video is for persons that are aspiring bakers or just wanting to know how to make their own flower nails. If you're planning to do a flower rosette, anything to do with piping that entails you to use a tip such as this one to make a flower on, and you need the flower nail, then this is the video for you. You know, sometimes you just can't find the tools, or you don't have the money to order one, or you just don't have the convenience to get the item. Then today I'm going to show you guys how to make a flower nail. So all you'll be needing is a flat round surface. I found this, I think it's a doorknob or something relating to a knob. So any flat surface that you're going to do the flower on, that's what I could find, and I'm so lucky. It's like the same shape of the flower nail. A nail, of course, or anything that can hold on to the top. And next, all you need is some film wrap, just to wrap at the top, for sanitary. You can wash it, yes, but suppose you're like me that wants extra cleanage, then yeah. So overall it's just 2 items, but if you prefer to have the clean film, then that's up to you. So I'm just going to take off the top of this, and I have this hole right here to have the nail into, so you can get that turn effect to do the flower on. So this right here, just going to put it through, ensure it is straight, and then you turn. Not sure straight I'm gonna get it, but yeah, I think this is good enough. Just gonna take my film wrap now and put it over. There you go, your DIY flower nail. You just need to put the frosting or meringue and then the paper, then you start to do your, you know, just toots. You get the gist, guys. With this part of the video, I am attempting to show you guys how you can use this tool that we just created. So I piped a bit of my meringue mixture. You'll know why I'm using meringue right now. You'll see it in the next video to come. So then I apply a piece of a baking paper and try to do a rose, but it did not work because the meringue mixture was not at stiff peaks, because I add vanilla essence last, which caused it to be soggy. Thank you so much for watching this video. Hope that this is convenient for you, and yeah, until next time, bye.